Hello and welcome to the course of Web Technology. In the previous lecture, we have learned the img image tag with src source and alt alternative attribute. For this lecture, we will learn the attributes width and height and the title attribute. At first, the width and height attributes. So width and height attributes are used to adjust the width and height of an particular image in a web page. So if we go to Notepad++ editor, as you can see, I have added the image source and the alternate tag, alternate alternative value of a particular image, as we have learned in the previous lecture. For this lecture, we will learn how to add width and height and the title attribute. So at first, I will just omit this because for now we'll just have to focus on width and height. Now if you can see that width had been fixed to auto and height has been fixed to auto, that means as per the screen size, as per the web page screen size, the width and height of a particular image will be automated. Okay, so if I omit it and just I will omit as well for your understanding, and I will execute the image, just refresh it, and the images has been displayed. But if I add width and height to it, this is pixel sizes, double quotation, suppose 50, and height is 50, press Ctrl S, just refresh the page. As you can see, the image has been altered to 50 px height and 50 px width. Okay, now if I change the height and width for the next image, as you can see that the break tag in the paragraph section, you will also learn how to add break, but for now just get that idea that break is the line break of a particular web page. That means the second image will be under of the first image. Okay, if I omit this break tag, and sorry, you have to save it, Ctrl S, and just refresh it. As you can see, there is no break between two images. But if you give the break tag and execute it, before that you have to save it, refresh the page, as you can see the line break has been displayed in front of you. Now if I give the width and height to, you can also copy and paste the code instead of wasting time. Just paste it, and I will just change by 100 and 100. You can also change 50. Okay, now just refresh the page. As you can see, the second image, 100 px width and 150 px of height. You don't have to include the px, it's automatically the pixel size. Okay, now if I just put the auto, and this is the another feature of Notepad++, as you enter any alphabet, the pop-up will be displayed in front of you. Just press the down arrow key and just press tab, and here also just press auto, save it, just refresh the page. As you can see, this particular image has been automated as per your screen size. Okay, so this is hidden with attribute, and now in the next attribute is the title attribute. For now, if we go to Notepad++ and just go to the Google Chrome and execute it, as you can see, if we mouse over to this particular image or this particular image, there has not been any title has been imported, but by the title attribute is equal to value, suppose the tiger. Okay, just press Ctrl S, just refresh the page. If you here you cannot see the title, and if you mouse over here you can see the title, the tiger. So this is one of the most important and very interesting features of HTML, that by title attribute it is used to explain an element on hovering the mouse over it, as you have seen it in the example. The behavior differs with various elements, but generally the value is displayed while loading or hovering mouse pointer over it. As you have seen that if you mouse over another point or another element, it will not show the title. But if you mouse over of that particular element, it will show you the title of that particular element. So this is called the title attribute. So for now, before saying thank you, I would like to explain you something, that is, as I said before in the previous lecture, that all the all the tags of HTML in Notepad++, and this is one of the most important and very interesting feature of Notepad++ editor, that in Notepad++ editor all the tags are in blue color and all the comment lines in green colors, all the attributes are in red color, and the attribute values are in the violet color, as you can see. Okay, so this is most interesting and most useful feature of Notepad++ editor. In simple Notepad you cannot find this feature. Okay, so for now, thank you so much for attending this lecture. We will discuss something else and something very important element of hypertext markup language in the next lecture. Thank you for attending the lecture. Thank you.